Mean.
Yeah, a light.
I've never played this map before, so I thought, ooh.
It's having a spaz.
Keep it rocket!
That was so
stupid!
lame.
Grab a gun! Ah! Fat Rexozark!
Kill me monster now.
Hip or die.
Ah! I shot it!
Hey, whatever. Ooh, shit.
Number 2.
No, number 2! Number 2,
Yeah,
Kate.
number 2. My witness. 2.
Oh my god, this is funny. Which one do you get? The cabinet on the right.
Over there, yeah. The thingy, it's over there.
Activated.
Wait for me.
Wow.
Activate the steamer. It's a steam thing open up. Out of the way, I ain't being around with you when that thing goes at me. How comes the steam thing don't work? You fool!
Whoa.
You told me what? Didn't you kill it? Okay.
Hit it for that. Who's the zombie, man?
What's the Seeker? Oh. Do they hurt when they look at you?
It's looking at me. Oh, ho, 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 ho.
This place is awesome.
Show your mom. Really? Oh, that's awesome.
And Jabber is no more. Yeah, and you'll be no more in a sec. Yeah. No, I'm here too. It's three of you left. Oh! No, one person left next to you.